Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Blacksea and I have another video for you guys. Today I want to talk about the overall crypto market, how Fed Chair Jerome Powell is talking again today. He just wants to say hi and, disrupt the market a little bit. And I want to talk about the overall crypto market, where I think it's going to be headed in the short term and maybe even in the medium to long term. So guys, right now we are at 7,700 subscribers. Once we reach 10,000 subscribers, we are giving away $1,000 worth of Bitcoin. So subscribe now. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right, so right now we are coming down a little bit because Jerome is talking. But, all in all, it's whenever he comes out and talks, it's very, very volatile. It swings up and down, up and down. And all in all, we're only down about 1% on Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin dominance coming up 42.23%. Guys, the money and liquidity is coming out of these altcoins, excluding Binance right now, and going into Bitcoin, which is what I want to be seeing. When we see this, that's the first step we need to see before we have a true altcoin season, before you see your favorite coins like Coin and your other altcoins really start to run. Guys, seeing 42.23% dominance on Bitcoin is good. We want to see that keep increasing. It's going to be a little bit painful when we see it move up to the 44% range, but that's my goal for kind of an indicator that we're going to be having an altcoin season, as long as we're getting a increase in the Bitcoin price with a increase in Bitcoin dominance. That's very, very important. I'll say that again. We need to see Bitcoin come up, move up in price, coupled with the Bitcoin dominance coming up as well. Then we trade sideways for a little bit of time, and then we'll start to see the trickle-down effect and the 10, 20, 30 X's on these altcoins. So keep that in mind, guys. Let's look over at Coin a little bit here, because we are touching this level that I've been looking at. And, I did say that once we kind of created a new wick below, after we broke out of this ascending triangle, I said I really did believe that the 0.0689 cent range would be kind of a magnet. And, well, what do you know? We did test it. We did break below it with a wick. We didn't have a daily candle close below it. We have bounced back up. Very, very curious to see how this plays out, guys. I do not think that we're going to be crashing down through this immediately. However, I think that there is a chance that we do. But if we do it, and it happens sooner rather than later, I think that we'll probably bounce back up. But that being said, if we don't come below it, I do think that we'll probably just test it and bounce off. But I am looking at the S&P 500 right now, guys, and we are getting the weekly candle close is turning red, which is unfortunate, but we still have time. We still have 2 days and 6 hours on the S&P 500. It's important we look at this, because my favorite saying to say is that Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats, and the S&P 500 is the moon, so that controls the tides. And, we have to be paying attention to this, guys. Let's look over on the daily to get a little bit better picture here. Yeah, we are coming down on the daily just because, Jerome wants to come back out and talk again. It's classic. It's almost like he just wants to just say, hi guys, just wanted to say hi again, and he knows every time he opens his mouth we have a big move to the downside or to the upside sometimes. But, yeah, unfortunately, Jerome is talking a lot of hawkish talk while he's in front of Capitol Hill. When he's on Capitol Hill right now, he's talking about how the interest rates are going to need to be higher than they anticipated, which is a very, very hawkish talk. But I will say, with this really, really hawkish talk, coming down only a couple percent, I'm pretty surprised. I'm honestly really, really surprised how well we're holding up. Knock on wood, guys. But I'm really, really surprised, because he's really talking hawkish right now. Honestly, I think that probably people are just exhausted. The sellers are exhausted right now, and they can't really handle more pessimistic news when it comes to these rate hikes. So let's look over at Bitcoin a little bit, because we are testing the 21,000. We haven't touched it yet, but 21,600 is the level to keep your eye on, guys. If we break below this, well, next target will be 19,500. But this is a key level to be looking out at right now. This 21,600 is a very, very key level. 21,600 to 25,300 is the channel I'm looking for accumulation in. But can we break below the 21,600? Yes, we definitely can. It's going to really, really be dependent on this news. We're still in this data-driven market, guys. We're still waiting on the constant news that Fed Chairman Jerome Powell has to say, what the government has to say, what the inflation data, all that we're in a data-driven market, guys. You can't predict this. It's very, very difficult. It's all based on data. And the question is it a sell the news event? Or is it priced in? That's been this constant battle for the past 2 or 3 years right now since the pandemic. It's been a tough market to trade, guys. I'll be honest with you. That being said, when it comes to NFTs, I did make a very, very good play. And in our private Discord, I showed this. I told you guys, Claynosaurus is a great NFT play on the Solana ecosystem. I was accumulating at between 19 and 25 Solana each. Accumulated about 30 of them. And now, guys, Claynosaurus is at 25.8 Solana floor price. And it reached 75 last night. I sold a couple, but I still have a big chunk. I think this project still has room to the upside. Not financial advice, but pretty awesome to see. I'm not sponsored by Claynosaurus at all, but I just wanted to show you guys that there's still opportunities in the bear market, whether it be in NFTs, crypto. There's opportunities everywhere. Even in the stock market, there's opportunities, guys. But if you want access to my trade signals, my NFT alpha, and NFT whitelist spot giveaways, please consider becoming a member on the channel. All you have to do is go in the description box below, click the join button, or click the join button on our homepage and click join. You get access to our private Discord, as well as you get these custom emojis, custom loyalty badges that will be next to your name in our comment section, and during our live streams every Tuesday and Thursday at 5:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. And on top of that, you get 10 additional entries each month. You are a YouTube member to winning this little line NFT, which we're giving away at 25,000 subscribers. Guys, that's all I got. Don't let Jerome Powell make you panic sell. I still think, guys, this is a year of consolidation. This is a year of consolidation. I really think that we've got some time to be consolidating, guys. Google Trends on crypto is decreasing significantly. This is the time to be buying. If you're here, please pat yourself on the back and maybe accumulate some Bitcoin. Not financial advice, but I think that potentially is probably I think you'll be pretty happy if you do that right now. But guys, that's all I got. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.